Welcome to this video 100 tips and tricks in ABAP. ABAP Tip 7. So let's get directly started. So I would like to start the ABAP Debugger with the command /h in the command field. Then we can see here that debugging is switched on. And now, for example, just type in the transaction myrow. And then you can see that the ABAP debugger is started and we end up in here. In the line first executable statement in the line 19. Here we can see that this function basically has 87 lines of code. And sometimes you would like to explore, okay, what happens in the future, and you don't want to go with F5 or F6 through each executable statement. So yeah, this is a valid reason. For example, if we are here and now you would like to set the focus, you would like to jump to the position of your cursor, there's a really useful button in the toolbar that you can use to jump to the line, to the statement where the cursor is basically currently, so where the statement is executed currently. And therefore here you have this button position. And once you click on this position, then here in the editor, you will jump once again to the line 19, where this yellow arrow is, so where currently the ABAP debugger has executed this statement. What you also can do is, for example, if you know you've debugged a couple of times this program and you always miss the part and you know that at line 55 your coding happens that you would like to explore. What you also can do is you can right click within the editor, then you can go to navigation, and then you can go or select the function go to line, also executable with Control and O. And here you can enter the line, so for example 72, and then within here directly jump to 72 to see, okay, what happens in here. You can then in this column here set a breakpoint, and then you can explore what happens in this executable line. So yeah, if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment sections, please like, and please do not forget to subscribe to not miss great upcoming videos. 93 great videos still left, so see you in the next video.